Good evening. Today is Sunday and it is the 23rd of February. I didn't start my vlog earlier simply because
I didn't do much.
I was at Luke's and I prepared the vlog for today. It's all uploaded, and then we had lunch. Had lunch with Luke, and then I came home and I just stayed watching some shows. Today I watched, let's see, The Bold Type, Zoe Extraordinary Playlist, Carol's Second Act.
What else did I watch?
Almost Family, that's a really good one. Katie Keene, the one from Riverdale, it's really nice. I loved it. Oh, Good Girls, because Good Girls is back. I think that's all. Don't think I watched anything else, but oh, and Dynasty. I watched Dynasty, so yeah. I have some more shows to watch, but you know, for now I'm gonna go to the kitchen and I'm going to do something with my mum. And yeah, but I just wanted to say hello.
Hello. Hi.
I just wanted to say hello, and I hope you enjoy this week's vlog. If you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, then press subscribe. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this week's vlog, and I wish you all a lovely week. Baking some brownies and some carrot muffins. I had got these from Flavors for Health. They look very simple, so let's see how I'll actually manage to do them.
Teaspoon.
Nej, tejben.
Nej, jag kan lite. Ja.
Allora, fehmat.
Monday, and it is the 24th of February. I'm off to Gestalt. I had work today, and then I came home. I watched some shows. I watched Blackish, Grownish, and The Neighborhood.
Very tired as well.
I hope you're all having a lovely Monday. Basically, I don't have much to tell you guys apart from sent in my assignments. Now I have to do the presentation. Basically, I have my exam to present the presentation on Monday, so like today week have to start that. So yeah, love my beanie. It was from Primark, I think. Yeah, love it, absolutely love it. Anyways, I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna be late, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Ooh, and this week's vlog should be a little bit more interesting. I got something on Friday and Saturday, so yeah. So yeah, I hope you all have a lovely week. Bye.
Hello everyone. So good morning. Today is Tuesday and it is the 25th of February. I am not going to work today because I am unwell and just put on the face mask to try and feel better. So yeah, just going to stay in bed. I have to prepare the presentation because it's going to be in less than a week, so I need to do that. And yeah, I'll see how the day goes. But I just wanted to pop by and say hello. How you doing? How you doing? Looks so good. This is the Alia face skin mask. I think I have a discount code down below. If you look at my description box, you will see a discount code and you can use it to get some percentage off your order if you're ever ordering from Alia. So yeah, bye guys.
Oh, home sweet home. Some food. Hi everyone, so today is Wednesday and it's the 26th of February, and I just stepped here with my mom and my nana. Say hi. And we just came to pick up a giveaway prize. I had won, thanks to Love in Malta, I won 5 wine bottles and 1 champagne. I'm going to be sharing them with my family, so I'm not going to be drinking them all on my own, and also with Amy as well. So yes, I came to collect those. Very happy with my wine, so thank you so much, Love in Malta. And now we should be going to the dressing room because there's this dress that I have an eye on, and I have Miss Malta as well on Friday, so it's an event. Yes, Malahi, I have an event. I was invited as a guest, and hopefully I'll see if I can wear this dress. If it's still in stock, because the dressing room in Nashar just sells out really quickly. So yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do. I had work today, went to work, feel much better now. So yes, I will take you guys with me to the dressing room. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got the dress. I'm going to be wearing it on Friday for the Miss Malta event. I'm so happy. So yes, now I don't know where we're going. I'm just following my mom and Nan. I already gave one to my Nan, but basically this is what I won from Love in Malta. So let's see which one ooh, Pinot Noir. That's for me for sure. Oh, I actually got a champagne bottle. I've never owned a champagne bottle before. Okay. Hi everyone. So, oh my god, the state of me is horrendous, but please ignore that. I am in bed. Today is the Thursday and it is the 27th of February. I had work today. I came home, had a shower, did my hair, and I met Amy today, and we had a bit of a catch up because it was well needed. And now I'm going to stay editing my video for tomorrow. So that is the day. Anyways, I hope you all have a lovely day. I hope you all have a lovely weekend. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow because I need to get started with my editing. So yeah, bye. Hi guys, so I just got ready for Miss Malta, and this is the dress I'm wearing. It's from the dressing room and it's the one I picked up earlier this week. I also am wearing the Nikki and Sam earrings as well. It's just something very simple but very cute at the same time, very springy as well, so I'm just like bouncing into spring. So yeah, I'm just going to go. I'm a bit late, so I will fill you in. I'll talk to you guys properly tomorrow, but let's go to Miss Malta. And I would like to thank Kirsten, who is the owner of Exclusive and Down Under, which are beautiful shops found in Paula. Down Under is a shoe shop and Exclusive has lovely evening dresses. So yeah, thank you so much to Kirsten for the invite. So yeah, let's go to Miss Malta. It's Friday, by the way. It's Friday the 28th of February.
Issa li tfajli trejnjom darbtejn fuq il-catwalk żgur li dik it-tensjoni u l-eċitament tal-bidu qabad itaffi xi.
We just got some Mackies and I'm just gonna take a chip. And this is new burgers. That's the salsa one. And this is the guaco one. And some chicken nuggets. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some nibbles. So yeah, bye.
Hi everyone, good morning. So today is Saturday and I am walking home. Basically I had to go to the post office because I received a package from ASOS. Basically I ordered the Fila Disruptor shoes. However, I got them at 37.5 as I thought 37.5 equaled my Vans 38 because that's what ASOS said, but that was wrong. So I had to return my first ASOS package because I'll have you know that I never ordered ASOS ever. But basically I want to get a refund and I'll order the 38.5 and hopefully that will be okay. So yeah, yesterday we went to Miss Malta. It was okay. I felt a bit underdressed because everyone's with their elegant dresses and stuff like that, but that's not me. So I liked my dress. I'll show you a photo now of what I was wearing. Basically, you know, it's important that when you dress up for things, to remember your style and to remember to be you and just you and not get pushed back or have less confidence because you see that you're a bit different from everyone else. So yeah, okay, if you don't know, I'm walking up a hill right now. Well, a hill for Malta, but yeah, I came for a bit of a walk because the post office, technically speaking, is not that far away. So I was like, why not? So anyways, I'm gonna go home now and I'm gonna go home and work on my presentation because that is what I need to do. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. By the way, today is Saturday and it's the 29th of February and it's the last day of February and the last day of this vlog. So yes, we're going out tonight. Should be anyways. We'll see how it goes. So yeah, bye! That's the view. So beautiful.
So I'm just on the floor because I received a package from We Love Lashes and I just wanted to share this with you. She gave me a little card which says, "We hope you love the selection of our lashes we've sent you. Enjoy, Jenny." So thank you so much to Jenny. So I just wanted to show you in the vlog as well. So I got the Yasme Cosmetics lashes and these are them. I show you them. Like, oh my goodness, they're so wispy. Cannot wait to try them out. I've also got the Allure Lash Adhesive Clear Finish Glue. So I'm actually looking forward to try this out because I've only used one glue ever, and that's the normal blue one. What's it called? I've only ever used this one, the Duo Glue, and I like this. However, I don't like the applicator. So with this, I'm looking forward. It has a proper applicator to apply on the lashes. So we'll see how that goes. I also got this one, which is called Oh My Lash. And oh my, it truly is. I don't know if I can open it for you guys. Like, oh my goodness, those look stunning. So cannot wait to try those out. I also got another false lash eyelash applicator, which is this one right here. This is from the company False Eyelashes. So yeah, this is a cute eyelash applicator. And then I also got the Flattery Light from Allure. I actually love Allure lashes, so I know I'm gonna love these ones for sure. So yeah, that was the package. So I got home and I stayed watching some shows. I finished my presentation because on Monday I have my second presentation of Gestalt. So my presentation is when I have my examination on each module. So this one is module 2, which is theory of Gestalt therapy. So I finished that. I'm very, very happy about it. And now I think I'm just gonna watch a show and chill, and then later on we're going out. So yes, sorry. Just in case if I don't talk to you properly again, I hope you like these vlogs. I hope you're loving the week in my life. I hope you're loving my constant keeping up with content. I'm very, very happy about it. So yeah, thank you so much for all your support. I appreciate you all very, very much. So yeah, I'll talk to you later. I will try, I promise I will try and talk to you guys later. So yes, bye. Hi everyone, so I just got ready. I'm wearing the ABH Norvina Collection Pro Palette Volume 1 on my eyes today. And as for lips, I have the Revolution Matte Lipstick in the shade, I'll tell you in a second, Ballerina. I absolutely love this shade. And I'm wearing this Pull and Bear, I think. Pull and Bear? Is it Pull and Bear? Is it Pull and Bear? Bershka, no. I forgot which one, where this is from. I think it's Pull and Bear jacket, pretty little thing top, and this is a Primark skirt, and I'm wearing my Primark booties that I love wearing now. So yeah, I'm gonna go because we're going out. I hope you all have a lovely Saturday, and yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, press subscribe. And yeah, I don't think I'll vlog anymore for this week, so I will see you guys in my next week's vlog. I hope you all had a lovely weekend, and I wish you all the very best for the coming week. Bye.